Today's video discusses an issue near and dear to the hearts of frustrated sellers who have buyers that have clearly defaulted under their contract but refuse to release the earnest money. Under this scenario, the seller is being held hostage for a release of the earnest money because the title company will not close another contract while the first contract is not yet released. Those are bad situations, but unfortunately, some people think that the solution to this is to move the second contract to another title company which doesn't know about the first contract. There are two reasons that this is not a good idea. First, if the second buyer knows that the transaction was moved to another title company because of an unreleased prior contract, the buyer will not have protection under his new title policy from a claim from the previous buyer. There is an exclusion in all policies that basically states if there is a cloud on title that cannot be found by a diligent search of the records by the title company, and the buyer knows about it but fails to disclose, then the buyer is not covered under a claim. The second reason this is a bad idea is that as with any insurance policy, the insurer is subrogated to the rights of the insured. What that means is that the insurer has to protect the insured, but if the insured would have the right to make a claim against the seller, then the insurer has that same right. What is it that the seller signs at closing to pass title to the buyer? The answer is the seller signs a warranty deed. The warranty part of the deed is a warrant that the title is free and clear of any prior claims not otherwise set out in the deed. If the previous buyer makes a claim after the closing, the seller will be held responsible under his warranty. By suggesting you move the contract to get around the problem of an unreleased contract, you may be putting your buyer in an uninsured position and/or subjecting your seller to suit under the warranty. The buyer and seller must settle and release the prior contract to move towards a successful sale of the property. Allegiance provides this information to you so you can better service your client. In turn, we want to serve you. Please call on Allegiance Title if we can be of service. Thank you.